Welcome back students. Now we are going to learn about conversion from degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit, because these are two common scale to measure temperature. So there are formulas for conversion from degree Fahrenheit to centigrade and from degree centigrade to Fahrenheit. Look at the first formula. If we are having some given temperature in degree centigrade, then we can calculate how much degree Fahrenheit it can be. For that, the formula is, if we have to measure degree Fahrenheit, then the formula is 9 upon 5 multiply degree centigrade, the reading of the centigrade scale, okay, reading of centigrade scale, plus 32. And this is the first formula. Now second formula, if we are having some reading in degree Fahrenheit and we have to calculate it in degree centigrade, then this formula we have to apply. So formula is degree centigrade is equal to 5 upon 9 and F minus 30 multiply F minus 32. So whatever reading of degree Fahrenheit, we have to put it here, and then we can calculate easily how much degree centigrade it is, right? Now look at few examples that I have written. There is a question, convert 10 degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit. How much degree centigrade? It is 10 degree centigrade, right? Okay, so now the formula, we have to put the formula from degree centigrade to Fahrenheit. That means we have to measure what? We have to measure Fahrenheit. We have to calculate Fahrenheit. So this formula will be applicable here. So what is the formula? Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 multiply centigrade or Celsius. Fahrenheit is equal to 9 upon 5 multiply Celsius plus 32. So what is the value of Celsius here? Degree centigrade here or Celsius here? It is 10. So 9 upon 5 multiply 10 plus 32. Now we have to cut, we can cut it, divide it 2 times, 5 will divide 10 in 2 times. Now 9 multiply 2 is equal to 18. 9 multiply 2 is equal to 18 plus how much? Plus 32. So how much it is? It is 50 degree Fahrenheit. How much? What is the value of Fahrenheit scale here? It is 50 degree Fahrenheit. That means 10 degree centigrade reading is equal to 50 degree Fahrenheit. Now look at the another example. Here we have to convert 95 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. How much degree Fahrenheit? 95 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So which formula we have to apply here? We have to apply the formula in which we can measure degree centigrade. So this one, this formula we have to apply. So C is equal to 5 upon 9 multiply F minus 32. What is the value of F here? It is 95. So 5 upon 9 multiply 95 minus 32. Now when we subtract 32 from 95, then its value is 63. Okay. Now next step, we have to divide 63 from 9, and it will divide in 9 how much times? 7 times. So 9 7s are 63. Now what is the next step? Next step is we have to multiply 7 and 5. But 7 and 5, what is the value of 7 and 5? 7 5s are 35. How much it is? 35 degree centigrade. 35 degree centigrade. So what is the value? What we have obtained here? 95 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 35 degree centigrade in reading. This is how we can get the conversion from degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade and from degree centigrade to degree Fahrenheit. Now In my next video, we'll read about thermometer, different kinds of thermometer. Now look at the screen.